Beauty is very personal, it's very intimate. Beauty is something that really fascinates you and you are never tired of it. It's something that you would like to have close. Actually, beauty is something that I believe is in the eyes of who is watching. So I would say, and understandable to everybody, is a product that is conveying a concept for everybody, very clear. Beauty is that everybody can understand it. To be Audi, it has to be very subtle, elegant, but not speaking too loud, and with a certain rhythm. It has to be smooth. You have to see the character. You have to see the presence. Of course, I talk about materials and colors, no? So the combination, the character, really, the presence. I don't think that is big revolution in aesthetic. I mean, it's always evolving and fresh and everything. We really have to change our mindset towards sustainability. More than sustainable, I like to say ethical. So sourcing in a different way, talk about where it's coming from, describe it, be transparent to the client. No? So material is not just the material, but where it's coming from, who collected, who work on that, the transformation when we are on the industrial moment. What I really like, for example, is that if you touch a material in the car, if you just in silence, you touch all your car, you have different whispers, let's say, okay? A part of the typical sound of the car and the click clock, but the material is giving you back in sound the way it has been treated. And this is a very interesting game that I can propose. Progress is, for me, is really an evolution. Is to be today aware of yesterday, even of the mistake maybe from yesterday, ready to rediscuss and find a fresh solution. Progress is a movement to be open to all the new information, all the little shading that are moving around, and ready to take on board and move from there. And what is your story of progress?